Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss one theory and numerical based on the RC series circuit and how to find the voltage and current using Laplace transform technique. Okay, so here this is the theory I am going to discuss, the RC series circuit, the rise in voltage. We know rise in voltage means the source is there. Okay, first order non-homogeneous equation. How we will get the first order non-homogeneous equation we will see here. See here, suppose this is the source, say V, switch is there, and this is R and C. Capacitor is there, right? Resistance is there, and we are closing the switch at t equal to 0. Okay, so before t equal to 0, before time t equal to 0, switch was open. If the switch was open, current through the capacitor was 0. So voltage capacitor stored the charge or not? No. So this is called as Vc0 minus. Okay, and we know capacitor stores the energy in terms of voltage, so it opposes the change of voltage. So Vc0 plus minus and plus will be 0. It was 0. That is the initial condition. Now at t equal to 0, I am closing the switch. Okay, if you close the switch, current will start flowing and capacitor will start charging. So can we write the KVL? Yes, we can write the KVL. KVL क्या आएगा? Ri plus कैपेसिटर में वोल्टेज क्या होता है? 1/c इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I dt इक्वल टू व्हाट? Voltage V. Okay, if the voltage, that is called as forcing function, if it is present, it is called as non-homogeneous equation, right? Okay, so if you take the Laplace transform, if you take the Laplace transform, क्या आएगा? R का क्या होगा? R into I of s plus 1/c integration, 1/c Laplace transform of integrator. Laplace transform of integrator क्या होता है? I of s upon s plus I integration of I of 0 upon s. Initial condition. What is the initial condition? That is 0. Okay, so it will be 0. Okay, equal to V का क्या आएगा? V मतलब V into 1 है ना ये. V means V into 1. So V का V और 1 का 1 by s. So V by s, right? So this is the initial condition. So if you take the I of s common, you will get here R plus यहाँ से क्या आएगा? 1/CS प्लस ये 0 हो जाएगा इक्वल टू V by S. So you will get I of S into RCS plus 1/CS if you take MCQ, okay, equal to V by S. So you will get this S will be cancelled. I of S क्या आएगा? I of S क्या आएगा? V into this C upon RC कॉमन लिया तो S plus 1 by RC. Okay, so this C will be cancelled, you will get V by R. So you can take the Laplace inverse directly because you have only one S. So you can take the Laplace inverse. If you take the Laplace inverse, क्या आएगा? I of t. If you take the Laplace inverse, I of t equal to what? V by R. और इसका क्या आएगा? E raised to minus t by RC. If you take the Laplace inverse, and we know R R into C होता tau, time constant, so you will get V by R e raised to minus t by tau. इसका मतलब है you can see the current will decrease, I will decrease, that is decay in current. That is equation number 1. Now this is the voltage V here. What is the voltage VC here? VC equal to, can we say VC equal to V, or current will flow in this way, so V minus I into R drop. यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या होगा? VC equal to V minus this drop equal to VC. So V minus I कितना है? Into R into I कितना है? V by R. So V R will be drop cancelled, e raised to minus t by tau. So you will get VC equal to what? V common 1 minus V common लिया है e raised to minus t by tau. Equation number 2. This is the voltage, rise in voltage equation you will get. Clear? Similarly, अगर decrease in voltage होगा तो what is the formula? I equal to क्या है? We have studied already in unit number 3. I always, in case of RC circuit, whether you are decreasing the voltage or sorry rise in voltage or decrease in voltage, in both the cases current will reduce. So current क्या आएगा in both the cases? V by R e raised to minus t by tau. And voltage क्या आएगा? V equal to VC, sorry, VC equal to VC equal to V e raised to minus t by tau. So when the decrease in voltage होगा, decay in voltage होगा, source नहीं है तो voltage will decrease, right? Current will also be decrease. But यहाँ voltage source है, so voltage will increase, current will decrease, right? So this is the expression we have derived. I'm not going to drive the other case, decrease in voltage, because we have already studied in unit number 3. Directly I am taking one numerical based on that. So पहला मैं रब करता हूँ इसको, right? I'm rubbing it. And discussing one numerical based on that, right? So just one numerical I am going to discuss. In the circuit, given circuit, switch K is closed at t equal to 0. Find the current I of t after the switch is closed. Assume there is no charge across the capacitor before switching. So already they have mentioned there is no charge across the capacitor. So we can say VC 0 minus. अगर charge 0 है तो voltage will also be 0. VC 0 plus will be same. In case of capacitor, just before and just after voltage across capacitor would be same. And कितना था? Charge 0 है तो charge 0 तो voltage क्या होगा? 0. So that is the initial condition we got it, right? Now after closing the switch, can we write the KVL? Yes, I am writing the KVL. What is the KVL? RI, R कितना है? 2. So 2I plus 1 upon C. C कितना है? 0.1 farad. So 0.1 integration of I dt equal to V. V कितना है? 10 into 1. So I have written the KVL RI plus 1 upon C integration of I dt equal to 10. Take the Laplace transform. If you take the Laplace transform, क्या आएगा? 2 into I का I of S in S domain. If you take the Laplace transform, we are writing in S domain, plus 10. 1 upon 0.1, it is 10. Laplace transform of this is I of S upon S plus integration of I of 0 upon S, okay, equal to 10 into 1 का क्या होगा? 1 by S. So this Laplace इसका क्या होता है? That is the, this is what? Initial charge. Initial charge क्या है? Initial charge 0 है. It is 0. It is 0. Initial condition, right? So if you take I of S common, you will get 2 plus 10 upon S. I of s common है, this is 0 already, okay, equal to 10 by s. Okay, so I got it. So यहाँ क्या आएगा, if you take LCM, I of s equal to commonly so 2s plus 10 upon s, you will get LCM लेंगे तो क्या आएगा 2s plus 10 upon s equal to 10 by s. So this s and this s will be cancelled. I'm taking 2 common, so I of s क्या आएगा 10 और 2 कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या आएगा 2 कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या आएगा s plus 5. If you take 2 common, so s plus 5 यहाँ आ जाएगा. So 10 upon 2 is 5 upon s plus 5. So you can say here only one s is there. So no need of partial fraction, right? एक ही s तो partial fraction की जरूरत नहीं. Take the Laplace inverse directly. So you will get I of t directly. This 5 is a common. S plus 5 का Laplace inverse क्या होगा? E raised to minus 5t. We know e raised to minus alpha t का होता है s plus alpha. So इसका Laplace inverse is, that is the answer I am getting. Okay, so it is really very simple to get the answer. Okay, now only one problem I am going to discuss. Onwards I will try to make a small videos of 15-20 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and few more questions we will discuss in the next presentation. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Okay, I'm stopping here only. We'll continue the next part: initial value theorem, final value theorem, shifting theorem, convolution integral, letter. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Thank you very much.